So good day, Miss and everyone. I'll be the one who explain about the problems of our business. So our problem is about clean water. So many communities still struggle to get safe drinking water every day. So existing options can be too costly or hard to set up. So people keep using unsafe sources. So there is an unmet need for a simple or affordable product that can clean water and protect people's. That's all. Thank you.
So my name is Eddie Peggy. Good afternoon, Miss Anne. I'm talking about social and health impact. So reliable access to clean water significantly reduces waterborne disease such as diarrhea, cholera, and typhoid. Improved health outcomes lead to better school attendance and productivity. Women and children benefit from time saving and reduced physical strain, enabling greater participation in education, livelihood activities. Clean water also supports food safety and household sanitation, improving overall quality life.
I am Sandy B. Estolonio, so who will be benefiting our project? So it would be families in rural barangays, especially farmers, students, elderly residents, and other who rely on unwell water or tubod water and needed a simple way and affordable way to have a clean drinking water. Why will they choose our product? Because it's low cost, easy to use, and made from local materials. It helps protect our health, saves money compared buying purified water from far afar, and also works even without electricity.
Good day, everyone. Once again, I'm Jaren Aquino, and my idea supports us SDG 6 or Sustainable Development Goal 6, clean water and sanitation. So this goal focuses on giving people access to safe and clean drinking water. So in many rural areas, people get water from wells and rivers. But it is often safe to drink. So my idea offers a simple and affordable way to clean water, so making it safer for daily use. This helps prevent diseases, save money for families, and improves overall health. So by doing this, my idea directly supports SDG 6 and helps community lives healthier lives. So that's all. Thank you.
Access to clean drinking water is still a problem in many rural communities. Our idea is a household water purification kit combined with water safety education. This project is realistic because it uses low cost, locally available materials and does not require electricity or advanced technology. So we can easily demonstrate and teach these methods in barangays and school. So the impact is immediate. Families can reduce water-related illnesses, save money, and practice safer water use every day. So this simple solution supports SDG 6 by promoting clean, safe, and sustainable water for all.